Hey guys, again I am here in this video, and today we are going to study about the chapter first of classic science book, that is food. Where does it come from? Where does it come from? So let's discuss about this food. And we all know that we eat different foods at different times, like such as in breakfast is different from the dinner is different from the lunch, the morning food that we eat. What do we eat? Actually it differs according to area also. Like in our area we usually eat roti or bread and rice, pitha which is made up of rice flour. Okay, rice will be put in the water, rice and the some chickpea, not chickpea. This is the green gram and black gram. Like this legumes, one of the legumes is put in the mostly black gram and the rice put in the water at the night time, and in the next morning it will be grinded in the grinder in the mixture, and we made thick flour and we eat this as breakfast. Okay, and in lunch time we eat mostly rice with curry and dal. Okay, and in dinner and night time some people eat roti and some people rice, curry, dal, the same thing. Okay, so this is the variety of food that we eat in our daily life. And the next topic is the food. It is come from where? So mostly the food is made by the plants. Made by the plants. And how plants made the food? There is the process photosynthesis. Through the process photosynthesis, plants able to make their own food, but the human, we cannot make our own food. That's why plant is also known as autotrophs. And this process is known as autotrophism, or we mostly call autotrophic plants. And the human animal who do not make their own food, they are called heterotrophs. They are known as heterotrophs or heterotrophic organisms. They cannot make their own food, but they depend on plants for their nourishment. But they Sorry, I have to erase this, just wait. But they depend on plants for food. So this type of organisms are heterotrophs, or also known as heterotrophic organisms. Heterotrophic organisms. Okay, I hope you will get this one and you will get understand. I don't know what to say, just wait. And the next topic is like the plant. The food is of two types. Two types are divided into two types. And what are the types of food? The first one is plant-based, the food that we get from the plants, and the second one is animal-based food. Animal-based food. What are the examples of this two? Plant-based food and the animal-based food. The plant-based food are like rice. We plant rice in the large area as a crop, and the wheat. These are the plant-based food. And the corn, groundnut. These are the examples of plant-based food. And what are the examples of animal-based food? We will get to know that meat that we eat, and fish and egg. These are the plant-based food. And one very healthy food is that is milk. And how do we get milk? We get milk from the animal, like mostly cow in our area, and buffalo also gives milk, then goat. Okay, these are the organisms from which we get milk. And what are the milk products? Milk products that are very nutritious, like the cheese, curd, cream. Okay, and there are different foods made of milk. So these are the main foods. Okay, wait for 1 second. I have to erase this. So let's discuss about the animals food or animals food. What they eat actually. What animals eat. So we all have domestic animals, like first cow. In most of the houses we have cow. We get milk from the cow. Then buffalo. Then domestic animal, like we have goat. These are the domestic animals. So what they actually eat? So these animals, what they eat? They eat grass. And there are some animals like the lion, tiger, bear. They don't eat grass. What they eat? They eat meat. They eat the animals. Like deer, rabbit. Okay. And even human also becomes prey of these animals. When animals go into the jungle, deep into the forest, and it might be met an wild animal. So this is also happens. So according to the food the animals eat, we classify them into three categories. And what are the category? The first one is herbivores. The second one is carnivores. And the third one is omnivores. And this might not be clear. So omnivores. So the animals eat only plants or grass or plants are known as herbivores, and the animals eat only other animals. So they are known as carnivores. And who are the omnivores? The animals eat both plant-based food, other plants and animals. Like us, we are the omnivores. Some people are veg, some people are non-veg. So we eat vegetable, fruits, and meat, egg, fish, everything. So we are the omnivores. Okay, so I hope you will get this and you will understand this topic very well. So just wait for a moment. I am cleaning this drain now. And the next topic is, what are the parts of the plant? The parts of plant. Like, there are different parts. First, we have, suppose, we have to draw a diagram. This is the, just wait, this is the root, this is the root, and here, this is the leaf, okay. Here this is the flower. We have to draw fruit as well. Suppose this is the chili. Okay. Chili. And there is some bud is also there. This is the bud. This is the stem. This is the leaf. Okay, this is the node and the area between the two nodes. This is the node, this is the node, and the area between these nodes is known as internode. What? Internode. And this, all the things above the ground, these parts of the plants are regarded as or considered as shoot system. What? Shoot system. Okay. And the area of the parts below the ground, these are the root system. And the root system arises from the radicle, and the shoot system arises from the plumule. And root system arises arises from radicle. Okay, so there are some plants. Which is used as food. Like some of the plants, we eat some flowers as food. Some of the plants leaves are used as food. Some of the plant stems are used as food. There are some plants, even the fruits are used as food. So we'll discuss about this. Just wait. I have to erase. So right now I have no white shirt. I have some colored shirt. So which color is good? Let's see. This color will be good, green. So what are the edible parts? Edible parts. This color is good or not? Let's see first. Edible parts of plants. Like there are some plants. Like the moringa. We all know moringa. This is the desi fruit. So the leaves are used as vegetables, and the fruits also eat, and the flowers also used as vegetable. Okay, flowers, fruits and leaves, all the parts of moringa used as vegetables. So some of the plants, what do you conclude from this? Some of the plants have more than two edible parts. In case of moringa, parts. And like pumpkin, you all know about pumpkin. The pumpkin leaves we eat. Flowers also, we fry the flowers and dip into the rice flour, and we fry this. Then the pumpkin fruit, it also uses vegetable, and also the seed. The pumpkin seed also nutritious, and it is good for our health. Okay. So what are other plants? So these are the different plants. There are some. The foods are mostly come from the plants, like the vegetable, then the cereals, then the grains, then the fruits. Okay, different fruits are also there, which we eat. So all are plant-based food, and we all depend on the plants for our food. So we should protect our environment and our nature. We should give utmost importance to our nature, and we should protect it. What are the vegetables? Like the pumpkin we discussed, and the brinjal, cabbage, cauliflower. These are the examples of vegetables, and different leafy vegetables like the moringa and pumpkin. And what are the cereals? Cereals like oat, barley, wheat, rice, which are cereals. The grains, like food grains, like green gram. These are the leguminous plant, and we all know that we do not know, maybe do not know, because this is the class 6 chapter. And the green plants, like green gram and the black gram, these grains store fix nitrogen in their root, and the nitrogen we get through this leguminous plants, but directly we cannot get the nitrogen from the atmosphere. We have not that power to convert the nitrogen into nitrogen edible part. Okay, so this is all for you. And the fruits you all know, like the apple, banana, orange. These are the different fruits that we eat for our healthy body. Okay, and what do you left with? We discuss all the main topics. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you like the video, then please subscribe this channel. And actually I have no any subscriber because this is my first video. I like that this is the first time I am using YouTube and I am at my home. So please support me if you can. So thank you.